Hi friends, now I am going to tell about how to do potato milk porridge for babies of 6 months to 2 years. I am taking two small potatoes and first I am peeling the skin of the potato and then I am cutting the potatoes into cubes and then I am pouring water and I am boiling that for around 10 minutes and I am transferring the boiled potatoes to the mixer grinder. Into this I am adding quarter cup of milk and I am grinding it. This after grinding a fine paste of potato and milk porridge is formed, and thus the food for babies of around 6 months to 2 years is ready. Above 1 year you can add salt or sweet. For babies mostly they like sweet, so you can add sugar or jaggery or honey, anything which you think is healthy, and you can feed this to your baby. Thank you.